the hell's that? Oh. Stanley. Hey. Where are you, mate?
I got coronavirus and my willy fell off, so I can't come today.
What? Ah.
Yeah. I sneezed and it popped right off my pelvis, and I can't come. So I'm finding it and I'm gonna put it back on, and I'll come back next time.
Alright, I hope you get better soon, mate.
Thanks, mate. Oh, where is it?
What the hell's that noise? Get out of the way, cop. Do you guys hear that noise?
Nah, mate, I'm listening to the new Eaglestorm album.
Hailstorm album is absolute garbage, bro.
What the f?
Wait, I don't hear that. Is that a bird in here?
This. Move, cop.
Holy oh, what the God the damn mate! What the There you go! What the
Mate's house, mate's house, mate's house. Mate's house.
Come on, cop, let's go. We don't have a house to put it in, so we need to come down here. Oh. We did really not choose the right day for this. John, with it. Let the birds in the house.
Yeah, I'm kind of chilly.
Have you gained weight? Like,
You know, just chips, you know what I'm saying?
chips ahoy? Alright.
Hello? What are you guys doing here?
Oh, Bobo, me, Nikolai. He is a legend, mate.
Hello mate, I'm Nikolai.
Who the is this guy?
My name is Nikolai. This reminds me of my home. Have a look. This is my hometown. Slovakia. Right there, that's what it look like. Look at it. What you say?
Oh, nothing,
Oh,
you
You
want...
offend
nothing,
me.
mate, nothing,
What? I didn't say anything. You want any vodka?
Vodka time. You want vodka too?
I want vodka, man.
Vodka back at home.
Okay. Now, let's come over here. Let's find a campsite, shall
Found
we?
campsite, let's go.
Oh, so why are you down here, Nikolai?
I am poor. What are you guys doing down here?
Birds, mate.
Birds,
The
man.
birds.
Get in our house every day. I swear.
Really?
Every day.
Yeah, mate.
What happened?
Came in the house, John, whacking everything. Yeah.
So sad.
It's alright, mate. It's alright.
So
as long as
sad.
we're here today.
It's okay.
I know, I mean, like, the weather's but like, we gotta find somewhere because
This is nice weather.
Russian weather?
Russian weather.
Right.
Little Englishman at himself.
Shakes me.
I see that.
Alright, boys, 1, 2. We need to capture some wood and put into one pile for our campsite, right? Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Fire.
So I thought there was a flying speedboat, but turns out it's just a bird. So I'll take care of it, guys, but you guys go do what you gotta do, I guess.
This bloody John, he just locked me in the house and everyone just left me. I want to go home.
going out there.
Oh, boys. I need to take. I'll be right back. Oh, Jesus Christ. What?
I want chip.
No.
Oh, Bobo, mate. What are you doing?
What the f? Oh, what cock? Oh,
I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry, man. Oh.
I knew it was cock. I wasn't scared or anything. I just really wanted to punch his face.
Yeah, for some reason, he kissed my camera. I have no idea what is going on.
So lately, while Bobo's been gone, we've just been taking a few snapshots around the river. We've caught a few koalas. Yes.
Guys, do you smell that?
Oh, what is that?
Oh, boys, we gotta go. Boys, we gotta go. We gotta get the out of the way, cop. Bobo, why do you have to let that diggly dang do me?
Climate change.
Hello.
Open the door. What the? Oh, God. Oh, thank God.